What's up YouTube? Back again with another video. Today's video I'm going to go over step by step how to access Windows updates for your computer. Before I begin, like, comment, subscribe. It supports the channel and it helps me out a lot. So, let's get the video started. So Windows updates, what are they? Well, they're essential to your computer in the long run. They provide security updates. Microsoft pushes out to patch vulnerabilities, holes, viruses, anything malicious. So it's very important to keep your computer updated every couple months. The steps that I'm going to show you how to update your computer, I would do this maybe once a month. It doesn't hurt to do it once a month, just so you can stay updated. And I know some computers have the Windows update settings turned on automatically, so it would let you know when to update. But for the people who don't have that setting turned on or haven't seen anything related to Windows updates, this is how you manually update. So what you want to do is you want to click on Type here to search, bottom left hand corner. Type in Windows Update. This whole list populates and you're going to click on Windows Update Settings, System Settings. Here you're going to see Windows Update, and yours may say check here for updates. My computer's being a little crazy right now because this is a work computer, but you're going to see check for updates. I'm just going to hit retry, just pretend it's a check for updates, and it's going to say if you need updates, it's either going to say you're all updated, or it's going to list updates that you possibly would need. It would have a list, and you would just either hit update all, or depending, you can just update each one as you go. I suggest you just do it all at once. It's easier. But yeah, so it's checking updates for me. I'm not sure it's going to find anything, but yeah, so that's how you check for Windows updates on your computer. Quick little video. So, hope this video helped you find Windows updates. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.